Hey guys, I'm here to tell you kind of how to do your homeostasis worksheet. It's not on a Google Doc right now, but it will be, so it'll be easy for you guys to fill out and then submit that to Schoology. But we have talked about negative feedback and positive feedback this last week, so you're going to be focusing on being able to identify whether a situation is negative or positive. So for the first 5 there, you're going to be just writing negative feedback in the blank or positive feedback. So you'll read the scenario and then you're going to make a decision. Is this negative feedback? Is my body maintaining homeostasis? Is it staying in balance? Or is it positive feedback? Is my body not able to kind of fight and get back to a balance for my body? And if you are struggling with what those two words mean, okay, please refer back to our notes from last week for homeostasis. In that video, I do talk about both positive and negative feedback. When you get done with those, then you're going to be doing some graphing. So if you're at home, I would make your own graph. Okay, guys, when you're not here, I still expect you to make the graphs and upload those into Schoology. And I will make a separate Dropbox for those for you so you can upload those. If you are in class, we'll do this on graph paper together, and then you can turn that into me. But if you're at home, you do need to still be doing the graph. So if you want to trace this graph onto a piece of paper that you're going to take a picture of and upload to me, please do that, okay? But I do expect you to be doing the graphs, and I'll put that in the notes for on the calendar that you do need to submit your graph as well with this worksheet. And I'll also put it on Schoology as well, okay? It tells you kind of how to graph everything. So like it says here, always graph time on the horizontal or x-axis, okay? So you're going to be graphing time here and temperature on the vertical or the y-axis, okay? And then you're going to decide what type of feedback it is, negative or positive, okay? Same thing with problem 2. You're going to do the graph. Time's going to go on the bottom. Blood pressure is going to be on the y-axis there, and you're going to decide if it's positive or negative feedback. For the last one, you're making a graph on blood glucose levels, and you're going to decide what type of feedback it is, and then if they're in the normal range or not. And then you're also going to be making one on pH as well. Okay, answering those questions. So if you are struggling with this, please reach out to me and let me know. But again, I do want you, if you're at home when we're doing this, I do expect you to make the graphs in your notebook and then submit them into Schoology so I can see that you have done the work. If you did want to print them off and fill them out, you could do that too, but I do expect you to do the graphs and upload them into Schoology as well.